Today I'm taking a look at this really handy arm here. This is designed for doing tapping into like aluminum, like tapping, putting threads in something. Now I don't have anything here I can demonstrate that on right at the moment, but I can show you how this works. And what it's designed to do is make sure you're drilling 90 degrees, or square on to what you're attached down to. For example, if you try and drill a hole and tap it with a tap, and you don't quite stay straight in that hole, you could mess the threads all up. You could break your tap off. It's happened to me several times over the years. This is going to keep your tap very true to your work. So by having this all attached like this, when you have that hole and you start drilling, this is going to stay perfectly with your workpiece, so you'll be able to make sure you have that hole tapped perfectly straight. Now, I'll just show you what this will do. Now, I'm just going to put a drill on here. Now, this is all comes made just like this. You can see it's very flexible. Now, I had to bolt it to this, clamp it down to this wood here and clamp the wood to the thing because the clamp area here is not big enough to clamp on this bench. But that's okay. For demonstration purposes, this is going to work just fine. And then, now, when I want to drill a hole and tap it, it is going to be straight up and down. There's no chance of me tipping the drill gun or the tap one way or the other and causing my hole to be all messed up. All right, and then I'm just going to put a drill bit in this so you can at least see it in action and what I'm talking about. All right, so there you go. Now we have this carried forward through the arm. It's not going to tip side to side. It's going to be a nice straight hole. Then, if I were to turn around and take and want to tap that hole with a tap, it's also going to be very true and straight. Now, to load a tap in here, easy enough to do. Just go ahead and loosen up the chuck and put your tap in and tighten it up, and you're good to go. But the whole point of this is when you're tapping something, this is going to go straight and true and not going to twist on you and snap off. Now, these guys were nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this review and show you how it works. I wish I had something I can drill and tap for you and show you, but it's pretty straightforward based on what I was just telling you. But it's really good that it's going to keep that a bit straight up and down when you tap and putting the new threads in, the piece that you're trying to do. So I want to thank these guys for sending this out. I really appreciate it. It'll come in handy if I'm trying to make sure I'm drilling and tapping something really true and straight. And hopefully this short video helped you out and kind of showed you what this is and what it can do. And now if you click that order button, you know what you're going to get.